guys, it's January 18th, 2021. So I got a call from an older gent. I don't think I've ever worked for him before. He says one of his radiators isn't heating up. So that's all he said. So we're going to go over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. And see if we can help him out. What do you think, Molly? What do you think there, Miss Molly? Miss Molly. What do you think, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, you want pets? Huh? You want pets? You love pets. You love pets, Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Yeah, you're looking very stylish. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots once I'm there. Try to get you some shots. Steve is working again, Mama. Steve is working again, y'all. So this is the one that's not working.
It isn't, yeah.
Okay,
we'll check it. This is really warm compared to how it's been.
I don't think it's frozen. We'll check it downstairs. Okay. How many thermostats does he have in the house?
I think there's just 21, right, Dad?
How many thermostats?
2. That one just serves that room.
Yeah.
The rest of the house is on another thermostat.
Oh, where is the other one? I want to turn the other one down so I can work on that one, you know? I want to turn the other one down so I know which one I'm working on, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, right here. So let's just shut this one off for now.
Okay.
So I'm working on the proper one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go look downstairs. I got it off. Nice weather we've been having, huh?
Yeah,
Holy cow.
Except if you can't get your room warm. It's been like 55 in that room.
Alright, where's the heater? I can hear it. I can hear it.
And these are the pipes that gets to those.
Oh, that's a dehumidifier. Okay. Alright, this is probably a zone valve. What do I plug in?
Let me see. I think over here.
Yeah, there's plenty of plugs around here.
Right in here, so.
Okay. While you're there, might as well just plug me in. You're standing right there, might as well do.
Okay.
Plug it in right there, right in the front of the. See it? Right there?
Oh, yeah, good for you. Yeah. Good for you.
Alright, so this is gonna be it. It's red hot. Yeah, that's the problem right there. It's not pulling down and it's red hot, so we got a bad head. Wow.
Is that the one that goes up?
Yep, that's the one. It's red hot and it's not pulling down. So yeah, so I gotta change it.
Okay.
Let me get my tools and change the head.
Okay.
And that should take care of it. That's what the problem is. The zone heads needs replacing. Whoa, hello there, Miss Molly. Got sleepies there. Let me see. Alright, let me go finish this. We'll make sure the power's off to it. Shut the burner off, so let's see if the power's off to it. One, two. Should be 24 volts if there's power. Yeah, I got power going to it, so I'm gonna pull the disconnect. Try it again. We'll pull the Firematic and try again. Oh, still got power to it. We'll have to shut the burner circuit off, wherever that is. Yeah, no, just shut the thermostat off. I got the thermostat turned down all the way, and I still got 20 volts. which is too much, so we're gonna find out why. Something's not right. That's fine. Unless it's shorted somehow. Unless they're backwards. Let's try it now, we'll see. One and two is off now, but before with the head off. Isn't that strange? When I had the head off, I was reading 20 volts. Now that I got the head back on, I'm reading 0.4. Alright, so we gotta change that. Change that head. Red, white, and green. You never want to touch red and white together. 1 and 2 if it's calm, because there'll be a direct short. Red. White and green. So we're red. Red goes to 1. Red. White. Green. Alright. Now turn the power back on. I shouldn't have any power to that head until I turn the thermostat on. Between 1 and 2 we shouldn't have any power. No power. 1 and 2. One and 2 with the thermostat off. No power. This thing was red hot when I came here and I couldn't pull it down, so I know it was calling. And then that's the 3/4 ohm, so you know that's that added on room. I'll go turn the thermostat up, and it should take 90 seconds for it to fire. Hello? You want to turn that thermostat up, ma'am? You want to turn that thermostat up in that room?
Oh, in that room?
Just turn it up high.
Okay, thanks.
When she turns it up, I should have 24 volts. Which I do between 1 and 2. 90 seconds, that head will call and fire this burner. So when it's calling, because this level will pull down easy after 90 seconds. Yeah, it's coming down easy now. Now it should be calling. Gotta get a tag out of the truck for it, but here's our return right here. Here's our return right here. Yeah, she's coming back warm now. Yowza. That's what it was. It's already coming back warm. Not a bad zone head. Place zone head on addition zone. Working now. Yeehaw. Here's the return coming back. She's toast. She's working. I just have to turn the other thermostat up and that one back where it needs to be and we're done. So, conversion burner. That head was weird when I disconnected. I had 20 volts on 1 and 2 when I had it disconnected. And when I put it back, I didn't have the 20 volts. Isn't that weird? Something's going on with the ground transformer. Sometimes this shit can be funky. Corona. It's the Corona shot. It's the Corona vaccine shot. Turn this one back on. What do you want to set it at?
70 for now, I guess. 70.
70's good?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead, good girl. Go ahead, good girl.